Welcome to today's Explainer. We're jumping right into something that, well, most of us use every single day, but we're going to break it down to its absolute core components. We're looking at the fundamental basics of vehicle operation and how you can use Notebook LM resources to really master them. Let's get right into it.
So, you might be wondering, what are the universal steps to operate a car? Think about it. Beneath all the flashy brands and different models out there, what are the fundamental, universal actions required to actually get a vehicle moving?
Okay, Section 1, the fundamentals of driving. Let's dive right into this.
Operating a car basically comes down to a few key steps. First things first, you've got to wake the car up, right? So you start the ignition or, press the start button if you've got a newer model. Once the engine is purring, you engage the floor controls using the pedals, and finally, you use the wheel for steering. Pretty straightforward.
Now, looking down at your feet, the setup is actually super simple. The right pedal is used for gas to make you go, and the left pedal is used for the brake to slow you down.
Moving on to Section 2, Mastering Automatic Transmissions.
So how do we actually get rolling? Well, if the vehicle is an automatic, it's an absolute breeze. You literally just shift into drive to go forward, or you shift into reverse to back up. That's really the whole shebang when it comes to getting an automatic moving.
All right, Section 3, why every car is different.
Now here is where we hit a bit of a plot twist. While those basics we just talked about are pretty universal, the reality is, however, every car is a bit different. The exact placement of buttons, those specific warning lights that pop up on your dash, and all the unique features, they vary greatly from one vehicle to the next. And because of that, just relying on general advice can actually be a bit risky.
So to give you the absolute most accurate advice for your specific ride, Notebook LM works best when you provide it with specific materials. It's kind of like giving it the exact blueprint to your car.
Which brings us to Section 4, providing your own sources.
Here's how you actually do it. You can take your car's exact owner manual or even a specific driving guide and upload it directly to the source panel, which you'll find right over on the left side of your screen. When you do this, you're basically creating a customized portal of personalized information just for your exact vehicle. It's a real game changer.
And finally, Section 5, using fast research.
Now, you might be thinking, well, what if I lost my manual? If you don't have a file handy, don't sweat it at all. The Fast Research tool can actually step in and find helpful guides for you. It does the heavy lifting if you don't have the document saved locally.
So, to wrap this all up, I want to leave you with a direct question straight from our source material today. Would you like me to find some high-quality beginner driving guides or car maintenance manuals for you? Think about it. The tools are literally right at your fingertips to help you dive deeper into your specific vehicle. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and I will see you next time.